Hello, my name is Jason. Is there anybody here? Hello, my name is Jason. Is there anybody here in this room like to talk to me? Hello, my name is Jason. Is there anybody here in this room would like to talk to me? Hello, my name is Jason. Is there anybody in this room like to talk to me? My name is Jason. I am 37 years old. I was born in 1973 and I live in Florida. I think you already know that. I want to ask you, what's it like being out of your body and how long you've been out of your body and how long have you been dead? Which means when did you die? And I'd like to ask, how come you never went back to the other side? Go to the other side. Can you come back on this side and see what people are doing? Like your family, friends, and people that you used to know. That's your life. How soon one can reincarnate? Can you see your body in your coffin once it's even been buried in the ground? Or put in a mausoleum? Do you stay at the cemetery, or do you just not prefer to be in a cemetery or at the mausoleum? Do you hang out with your spirit relatives and friends while you're over there, the ones that died before you? Do you still have feelings over there? Like anger, love, sadness, the feeling of missing someone? Do you feel happy, sad? Can you move objects with your mind just by thinking about it? Or use your energy to move objects in the physical world? And your visual and hearing much better over the other side. Or is it the same as in your body? I heard once you leave your body, all your senses are much stronger than you're dead than you were alive. How old were you when you died? Okay, this is your last window, last chance for the recording to end. So you have the next 15 seconds to say something.